Here's the top 5 reasons why I think that the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra is the best Android tablet out there. So the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra has probably one of the best displays I've seen on an Android tablet. It has a 14.6-inch display with a resolution of 2960 by 1848 and is an AMOLED 2X display that provides fantastic colors. This makes it great for those of you who are content creators that need a display with good color reproduction. And of course, for those of you who just want to kick back, relax and watch some Netflix before bed. And speaking about content creators, Samsung went all out by implementing the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, which provides fantastic performance in terms of regular usage and productivity tools like Lightroom and video editing tools like LumaFusion. Even when playing games, this tablet has never choked in the weeks that we had it. In fact, all of the games were set to the highest graphical setting and this baby handles it like a champ. That's not the only thing that is powerful because Samsung is really pushing the ecosystem and it is pretty impressive. Now, similar to Apple, if you invest into Samsung devices, you're getting a very robust ecosystem. You get things like clipboard sharing and multi-control, which links your tab and phone together, even dragging and dropping files between each other, answering calls and texts on either devices and more. It even has Link to Windows built into One UI, so you can connect the tab or even your phones to your computer, which allows you to check notifications, make calls, and transfer pictures from these Samsung devices. You can't transfer videos between your tab and your Samsung phones to your Windows computer, but if you mirror the device on the Samsung computer using the Link to Windows app, you can transfer videos, which is a bit illogical to me. But you know what is even slightly more illogical but yet kind of makes a lot more sense? This tablet has dust and water resistance. Yup, you heard that right. This tablet can be submerged in water and it will still survive. In fact, we do have a footage here of Umar attempting to edit a video underwater, but got caught by his building management and is now homeless for the sake of content. Don't forget to subscribe to find out whether he's still homeless. But anyway, that's not the important part, because what's important is that the feature like this was usually available on rugged tablets that people use when they go on expeditions or even when they go on a research trip. So it's pretty impressive to see a feature like this on consumer-grade tablets. But the next point is the most impressive point in my opinion. DeX Mode is personally what I think is the best feature in any Samsung tablet, because it gives you a full-on desktop experience. Nowadays, a lot of tablets come with attachable keyboards that even have trackpads. So why not give the people a full-on desktop experience? A lot of tablet makers out there talk about how their tablets are going to be replacing your laptops, but they're not brave enough to implement something like DeX Mode. The ability to have multiple windows up on the screen at once is a game changer compared to constantly having to switch between apps. It also improves productivity because it allows snapping the app windows around, just like how you would do it on Windows, to have a better view of everything all at once. So those 5 reasons is why I think that the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra is the best Android tablet that you can buy right now. And in fact, in my opinion, I think that it is going to be the best tablet for a very long time. But let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and I will see you in the next video.